Here's a pair of the Sony LinkBuds clip earbuds. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to a Roku TV via Bluetooth. Now note, some of these Roku models do not have built-in Bluetooth, okay? And I'll show you how to check if you do or not, okay? So just go directly to your home page, click on the home button and remote, and then go to settings on the left pane here. We're going to go down to settings, go ahead and select that. And then from here, we're going to go down one to remotes and devices. Go ahead and select that. Now, if you don't have Bluetooth headphones and speakers, then you do not have built-in Bluetooth, okay? However, a workaround for you to be, if you want to use Bluetooth headphones on a Roku TV, would be to download the Roku app on your phone and connect the earbuds to the phone, and then you'll be able to listen to this earbuds while you're watching your Roku TV, okay? But anyway, this TV here does have built-in Bluetooth speakers. So I'm just going to leave it right here for now. And then first thing is I'm going to go ahead and put these into pairing mode. I'll know it's in pairing mode if the light here is blinking blue, 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 blue. Okay, let me open these up. And I don't get a blue, 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 blue. I get a solid green here that mine turns off, no problem. Let me go ahead and manually put this into pairing mode. There's a button here on the back. I'm going to press and hold that button until the light here starts blinking blue, 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 blue. So button here. Press and hold, keep holding like 6 seconds or so. Just wait till it blinks blue, blue. Blue, 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 blue. Now it's in pairing mode. Now let's shoot back over to our TV. And then from here, we're just going to go down to add devices right there. Oops, no, that's not it. We'll go to Bluetooth headphones and speakers. Let's select that. And then from here, I have tons of headphones and earbuds paired to this TV. But we want to go all the way down to add new Bluetooth audio device. Let's select that. Now it's searching for devices that's in pairing mode near me, which is like 30 feet Bluetooth range. It's still in the pairing mode. It just found it. It's highlighted. I'm going to OK on the remote. And it says you're done. And voila, we are now connected. And you can see the check mark up there as well. So pretty simple. Now, if you had issues, any kind of pairing or connecting problems with these earbuds, you can always do a factory reset on these. If you need to do that, look for that link below in the description area.